Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to print barcode in Shopify. So simply, in order to do this, you have to go to application, and now here search for the application. Just open the application store, and after that search for retail barcode labels, just this web application, and after that just click on add app. So now here you need to install this app. Just click on install button and now wait for a few seconds. So now here you can see it's installed, and now click on getting started. So now here select the template that you want to print, and after that just type the name here and click on create. So now here you have to click on print labels. Just click here, and now here add the product and print barcode in Shopify.